Good morning, students. Welcome back to your social studies class. So, today we are going to start with our history, chapter number 2 on the trail of the earliest people. Now, the meaning of trail is way or the journey of the earliest people. Here, one boy is named Tushar, journey is given. Now, we will see what was the journey about Tushar. Tushar was going from Delhi to Chennai for his cousin's wedding. They were traveling by train and he had managed to squeeze into the window seat, his nose glued to the glass pane. As he watched trees and houses fly past, his uncle tapped his shoulder and said, "Do you know that trains were first used about 150 years ago and that people began using buses a few decades later?" Tushar wondered, when people could not travel quickly from one place to another, did they spend their entire lives wherever they were born? Not quite. Okay, so one day what happened? Tushar was traveling to Chennai. He was sitting near the window seat of the train. Suddenly his uncle tapped his shoulder. उसके अंकल उससे बोलते हैं कि जो ट्रेन थी वो सबसे पहले 150 ईयर्स एगो स्टार्ट हुई थी. आज से 150 ईयर्स एगो पहले ट्रेन स्टार्ट हुई थी. तो तुषार बहुत ज़्यादा वंडर करता है, सोचता है कि जब ट्रेन नहीं थी तो क्या लोग वहीं पे रहते थे, अपनी सारी लाइफ वहीं स्पेंड करते थे जहाँ वो बॉर्न हुए थे. Now let's read out more. The earliest people, why were they on the move? We know about people who lived in the subcontinent as early as 2 million years ago. Today, we describe them as hunter-gatherers. The name comes from the way in which they got their food. Generally, they hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, and eggs. The immense variety of plants in a tropical land like ours meant that gathering plant produce was an extremely important means of obtaining food. In this paragraph, they are explaining that hunter gatherers जो वो लोग होते हैं जो आज से 2 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो पहले रहते थे, उन्हें नाम दिया गया हंटर गैदरर्स. नाउ एज यू ऑल नो, द हंटर मीनिंग शिकार करना, किसी का शिकार करना, एंड गैदरर्स मीनिंग कलेक्ट करना, किसी चीज़ को इकट्ठा करना. सो हंटर गैदरर यूज टू हंट वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, दे यूज टू कॉट फिश एंड बर्ड्स, दे गैदर्ड फ्रूट्स, रूट्स, नट्स, सीड्स, एक्सेट्रा. So the most important part of obtaining food was the plant. They used to obtain their food from plant. Let's read out more. None of these things was easy to do. There are several animals that run faster than us, many that are stronger. To hunt animals or catch fish and birds, people need to be alert, quick, and have lots of presence of mind. To collect plant produce, you need to find out which plants or parts of plants are edible, that is, can be eaten, as many can be poisonous. So, you also need to find out about the seasons when the fruits ripen. Now, they are explaining that अगर आपको किसी का शिकार करना है तो वो इतना easy तो नहीं होता था, because some animals run very fast or some are very stronger. So the person has to be very alert and very quick regarding the hunting of animals, and for collecting the plants produce. So people must have the knowledge regarding the seasons, in which season the particular fruits will be obtained, और उन्हें ये भी पता होना चाहिए था कि कौन सा फ्रूट और कौन सा प्लांट एडिबल है. एडिबल मीन्स जो खाने लायक है, तो कौन सा फ्रूट खा सकते हैं, कौन सा फ्रूट नहीं खा सकते, कौन सा प्लांट को वी कैन ईट, इन सब का नॉलेज भी होना ज़रूरी था. नाउ टर्न योर पेजेस, टिक आउट पेज नंबर 12. List the skills and knowledge that the children of these communities had. Do you have these skills and knowledge? Now here they are asking one question. Do you have the knowledge of all these animals, of all the plants? There are at least 4 reasons why hunter-gatherers move from place to place. Now here they are explaining 4 reasons कि hunter-gatherer क्यों move करते थे from one place to another. The first reason is, if they had stayed at one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plants and animal resources. Therefore, they would have to go elsewhere in search of food. अगर वो लोग एक ही जगह रहेंगे तो वो लोग सारे प्लांट्स और सारे एनिमल रिसोर्सेज को खा जाएंगे, तो फिर एक टाइम पे उनके पास क्या रहेगा खाने के लिए. तो इसलिए वो लोग मूव करते रहते थे एक जगह से दूसरी प्लेस. The second reason, animals move from place to place either in the search of smaller prey or in the case of deer and wild cattle in search of grass and leaves. That is why those who hunted them had to follow their movements. अब जो एनिमल्स होते थे वो तो एक जगह रहेंगे नहीं, तो वो एनिमल्स भी अपना शिकार करने के लिए इधर उधर घूमते रहते थे, और एनिमल्स का शिकार करने के लिए हंटर गैदरर्स को भी मूव करना पड़ता था उनकी सर्च में, तो इस वजह से भी हंटर गैदरर्स मूव करते थे. नाउ द थर्ड रीज़न इज़ plants and trees bear fruits in different seasons, so people may have moved from season to season in search of different kinds of plants. अब सारे जो plants हैं वो अलग अलग सीज़न में ग्रो करते हैं, तो हंटर गैदरर्स को भी मूव करना पड़ता था प्लांट्स की सर्च की वजह से कि कौन सा प्लांट कहाँ मिलेगा, तो उसकी सर्च में भी वे मूव करते थे. एंड द लास्ट रीज़न, फोर्थ रीज़न इज़ पीपल, plants and animals need water to survive. Water is found in lakes, streams, and rivers. While many rivers and lakes are perennial with water throughout the year, others are seasonal. People living on their banks would have had to go in search of water during the dry seasons, winter and summer. Besides, people may have traveled to meet their friends and relatives. Remember, they travel on foot. The fourth reason is that people, plants, and animals, all of them need water to survive. Now, the question arises, where is water found? Water is found in lakes, streams, and rivers. Now, some rivers are perennial. Perennial means ऐसी rivers जिनमें पानी हमेशा होता है, थ्रू आउट द ईयर, पूरे साल पानी होता है, और कुछ rivers ऐसी होती हैं जिसमें पानी नहीं होता, कभी कभी पानी होता है. So, hunter gatherers used to move in the search of water from place to place. Here, our four reasons are completed. One reason they have also given here, that people used to meet their friends and relatives. We also used to go to meet our friends and relatives, and at that time they used to travel on foot. These people used to travel on foot because at that time no buses, trains was available for them. How do you come to school? How long would it take to you to walk from your home to school? How long would it take you if you took a bus or rode a bicycle? Now they are asking one question कि आप स्कूल कैसे आते हैं, और आप जब स्कूल आते हैं तो आपको स्कूल आने में कितनी देर लगती है, आप स्कूल बस से आते हैं या फिर बाइसिकल चला कर आते हैं. हाउ डू वी नो अबाउट दीज पीपल? अब हमें इन लोगों के बारे में कैसे पता चला? Archaeologists have found some of the things hunter gatherers made and used. It is likely that people made and used tools of stone, wood, and bone, of which stone tools have survived best. Now, who are archaeologists? Archaeologists are those persons who study about the history. Now, archaeologists ने फाइंड किया hunter gatherers ने उस टाइम पे क्या बनाया था और वो लोग क्या यूज़ करते थे. तो ये पता चलता है कि hunter gatherers उन्होंने स्टोन पत्थरों से टूल्स बनाए, मतलब टूल्स मीन्स औजार, हथियार बनाए, और हड्डियों के भी उन्होंने टूल्स बनाए, इवन वुड से भी उन्होंने टूल्स बनाए, जिसमें से सबसे अच्छे स्टोन टूल्स अभी तक हैं. Turn your pages, come to page number 13. Some uses of stone tools are given below. Make a list of what these tools were used for and try and decide which of these tasks could be performed using a natural pebble. Give reasons for your answer. Some of these stones were used to cut meat and bone, scrape bark from trees and hide animal skins, chop fruit and roots. Some may have been attached to handles of bone or wood to make spears and arrows for hunting. Other tools were used to chop wood, which was used as firewood. Wood was also used to make huts and tools. Now, the question arises, why they used to make tools? The tools were used for cutting meat. उस टाइम पे ये लोग मीट खाते थे, तो अब मीट को कट करने के लिए उन्होंने टूल्स बनाए. स्क्रेप बार्क फ्रॉम ट्रीज की बार्क को कट करने के लिए, एंड इवन दे यूज टू टीयर द एनिमल स्किन, एंड दे यूज टू चॉप द फ्रूट्स एंड रूट्स ऑल्सो. चॉप मीन्स कट करते थे रूट्स और फ्रूट्स के रूट्स को. ओके स्टूडेंट, and from these tools they used to make spear. This is the picture of spear. ये एक spear है, ये tool से बनाया जाता था. Now here they have given some stones picture. See this is picture A. stone tools, these are the examples of the earliest stone tool. मतलब जो सबसे पहले जो पत्थर मिले वो इस तरीके थे. Now the image we see these stones, these were made several thousand years later. मतलब ये एक टूल के कुछ टाइम बाद बनाए गए थे. Then see this is C image. Now here they are saying about these were made लेटर स्टिल. मतलब ये 20 स्टोन जो थे, ये वाले स्टोन्स, इन स्टोन्स के भी बाद ये वाले स्टोन्स हमें मिले थे. दीज वर मेड अबाउट 10,000 ईयर्स अगो. मतलब आज से 10,000 साल पहले हमें ये वाले स्टोन टूल्स मिले थे. नेक्स्ट ई, दीज आर नेचुरल पेबल्स. दीज आर मतलब ये खुद ही मिले, मतलब इसको बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, ये हमें खुद ही मिले थे, नेचुरली ये हमें मिले थे.